Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of square roots. We will explore what the square root symbol really means and why understanding it is important in mathematics and beyond. So, what exactly is a square root? Simply put, the square root of a number is a value that, when you multiply it by itself, gives you the original number. Let's look at an example. The square root of 9, written as the square root symbol followed by 9, is equal to 3. This is because 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Let's explore a couple of more examples to help solidify your understanding. Consider the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 equals 16. Similarly, the square root of 25 is 5, since 5 multiplied by 5 results in 25. These are examples of perfect squares where the square root is a whole number. Now, what if you don't have a calculator? Don't worry, there are methods to calculate square roots manually. We'll discuss two common techniques. The first one is the estimation method, where you start with a reasonable guess and then refine it to get closer to the actual value. The second one is the Babylonian method, an ancient iterative technique that provides precise results through repeated calculations. Let's walk through an example using the estimation method. Imagine we want to find the square root of 20. We know that 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, equals 16, and 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, equals 25. Since 20 falls between 16 and 25, the square root of 20 must be between 4 and 5. Because 20 is closer to 16 than it is to 25, we can estimate that the square root of 20 is approximately 4.5. Now let's take a look at the Babylonian method. This method uses a formula to find successively better approximations of the square root. The formula is x1 equals open parenthesis x0 plus n divided by x0 close parenthesis divided by 2. Start with an initial guess, which is x0, and repeatedly apply this formula until the value converges, meaning it doesn't change much with each iteration. In this formula, n represents the number for which we want to find the square root. Square roots aren't just abstract mathematical concepts, they have real-world applications in various fields of science and engineering. In physics, square roots are used in calculations involving energy, wave equations, and motion. In engineering, you'll find them in signal processing and structural analysis. To summarize, square roots are everywhere in mathematics, from basic arithmetic to advanced calculus. You can calculate them even without a calculator, using methods like estimation and the Babylonian method. And finally, they're essential tools in science and engineering, helping us understand and model the world around us. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.